For the second phase of the Fridrich method, we can have 7 different cases. The first one is that the two pieces, are in place but not oriented. This is the second case you may have, when you have to insert the corner and preserve the edge. The edge is okay, you have to insert this corner here. This is the third case, when you have to insert the edge and preserve the corner. The corner is okay, you have to insert the edge here. This is the fourth case, when you have to insert the corner and twist the edge. Insert this corner here and twist the edge. This is the case number 5, when you have to insert the edge here and twist the corner. Case number 6 is when the two pieces are connected in the bottom layer, the first floor. Case number 7 is when pieces are separated in the bottom layer. The corner is here, the edge is here, they are separated and they have to be both moved here. This is the Jessica Fridrich's homepage, where she explains the second phase of her method for solving the first two layers of the cube. This is the case where pieces are in place but not oriented. Here you can find a cube in which she considers the green color as the front side of the cube, the yellow is in the bottom side, and the red one is on the right side of the cube. The white color is on the top of the cube. And here you have the first algorithm to solve this kind of situation. In this case, the edge is okay, but the corner needs to be twisted. In this case, the edge and the corner have to be twisted together, and this is the algorithm that solves this situation. Then we have another kind of situation where the white has to be twisted in the corner, in the upper side of the cube, and the edge too. And this is the algorithm. R first, D, R first, D first, B first, D, B, R2. This is the insert the corner and preserve the edge. We have two cases. In the first one, solved by the algorithm number 4, we have the white cubi in front of us, and in the other case we have the white part that is on the bottom side of the cube. And in this second part, when the white that has to be moved on the top side of the cube, we can choose among two different algorithms. As you can see, we have 5A and 5B. This is the insert the corner and flip the edge, solved by algorithm number 6 and 7. In both cases we have to insert the corner, but in the first case the white is facing us, and in the second one the white is on the bottom. In both cases the edge needs to be twisted. This is the insert the edge and preserve the corner. In this case we just have one algorithm, and the edge is supposed to be on the right side of the cube, while the corner is already done. This is the insert the edge and twist the corner. In both cases we have the corner with the white part on the right side of the cube, while the edge is facing us in algorithm number 9, while it is on the right side of the cube in algorithm number 10. This is the connected in bottom layer case. It's when both pieces are together in the first layer of the cube, and in one case we can choose among two different algorithms. The last part is separated in bottom layer. We have 6 possibilities, 6 different cases solved by their algorithms. There is a different one for each case. Now we're gonna see in detail how they work.